Have you seen those dreamy boho chic ads for Kiera Simone clothing popping up on your Instagram or Facebook feed? Yeah, me too. But is it legit, or are you walking straight into a scam? Let's break it down, fast. First red flag, the product quality. Dozens of shoppers report ordering cute embroidered dresses, only to get something totally different. Think cheap, scratchy polyester with seams coming apart. The photos? Turns out, many are AI generated or even stolen from real designers. What you see is definitely not what you get. Second, location and shipping. Kiera Simone flashes Hudson Valley, New York all over their site, but in reality, your order's coming from China. Not only does that mean painfully slow shipping, sometimes over 9 weeks, but it also gets messy if you want to return anything. Speaking of returns, here's red flag number 3. The return policy is a nightmare. They claim 100% money-back guarantee, but ask you to ship the item back to China, often costing more than what you paid. And if you do manage to get a refund, it's usually just half your money back. Now let's talk customer service, or honestly, the lack of it. If you try to reach out, you'll probably be chatting with a bot. Instead of real help, you get offered a tiny discount to keep the junk you didn't want in the first place. According to the latest BBB scam tracker and Consumer Reports from March 2026, Kiera Simone clothing is labeled as a scam. Items rarely match the site's descriptions, sizes are all over the place, and those gorgeous outfits in the ads? Most don't even exist. Bottom line? I would steer clear. If you already got burned, contact your bank or credit card provider, file a chargeback for item not as described or item not received.